Hello guys, welcome back to Shawl Classroom. In this video, we are going to see about the Next.js basic course. We are covering the basics to advanced course from the Next.js in our channel. First of all, you can know about the Next.js basics. This is the course curriculum of the Next.js basics. What is Next.js? Why we use Next.js? And installation of the Next.js, folder structure and conversion. Creating your first Next.js app. We can create an sample app in the video itself. You can know about the pages and the routing, linking between pages, static asset handling. First of all, you can know about what is Next.js. Next.js is a React framework that allows you to build and scalable web application with features like server-side rendering (SSR), static site generation (SSG), API routes backend in Node.js, image optimization, file-based routing. Why use Next.js? Faster page loads due to server-side rendering, better SEO mix, search engine optimization, compared to regular React apps. Automatic code splitting for performance, built-in backend API support. Now we have download the Node.js and the Visual Studio Code for the Next.js. We are for that first of all we can have the Node.js, then only we can able to run the Next.js. Likewise, we have on to download the VS Code for the text editor. It is highly recommended text editor from the VS Code to run the Next.js. First of all, you can simply open your browser and type VS Code, download and click enter. You can see the first link in the web page, that is an download VS Code. You can once you click it, you can see the Windows, Linux and Mac OS. You can click that Windows. Once you click it means the download is started. Side by we can download the Next.js also. For that, I can open the browser and I can click the new tab and I type and Node.js and click enter. Now you can see the Node.js link in the first in the web page. You can click that. You can see the Node.js LTS means long term support and click that. It is an version 22.13.1, that is a latest version. Both files are downloading. Once the VS Code is downloaded means you can simply right click the file and click that open. Now you can accept the license agreement and click that next button. This is the destination folder of the VS Code and click that next button. This is a startup menu folder of the VS Code. I want an desktop desktop icon also for the VS Code and I can click that next button. I can simply click that install button. Now you can click that finish button. Now it is opening the VS Code. I can close this. Now I can open the Node.js. You can right click the file and click that open. This is the setup of the Node.js. You can simply click that next button and accept the license agreement and click that next button. This is the location of the Node.js and you can simply click that next button. This is a custom setup of the Node.js. You can simply click next. I want the automatic of the necessary tools and I can click that next button. You can click that install button. So you can see and pop up like, do you want to allow this app to make the changes on the device and click that yes. Now you can click that finish button. This is the command prompt of the Node.js. I can close this. Now you can simply go to search and type cmd and click enter. Now this is the command prompt. Now I can type node-v and click enter. You can see the Node.js version. If not, if you unable to did not see anything means you can go to search and type environmental variables and you can click that environmental variables. In system variables, you can scroll down and see the path. You can click that and click edit. In this, you can see the I already have the Node.js path. If not, you can simply go to new and you can open the file explorer in the C drive. You can see the program files. You can double click that. You can scroll down. You can see the Node.js. You can double click that. You can simply copy this path and you can click that new and you can right click and paste that path and you can click that OK button. OK and OK. I already having. I cancel it. Once again, you can run this command. Your version is shown. I can close this command prompt. Now I can open the PowerPoint. We done so far this. We run the node-v. npm means node package manager. Now you can go to search and type VS Code and click enter. Now you can go to file and click that open folder. In that I select the desktop. I can create a new folder. Name it as Nextjs basic project and I can select the folder. Now no fields is available in the Next.js basic project folder. Now I can split the screen. Go to next slide. Now you can see the create a new Next.js project. You can simply click that three dot and you can click that terminal and click that new terminal. In the new terminal, you can simply type npx space create next app at latest. My next app means is an project name. I given as an hello and click enter. Now you can see like this. It is an asking for a questionnaire that I can maximize the screen and I can go to next slide. You can simply note these options. Would you like to use TypeScript? If you did not know the TypeScript means you can simply click that no. Would you like to use ESL? In it means it helps for maintain code quality for detecting errors. I chosen the recommended answer is a yes. Would you like to use Taiwan CSS? If you did not know the Taiwan CSS means you can simply click that no. Likewise, you can see the would you like to your code inside and source directory. JS files you can have the inside the source folder. I given option as a no. Would you like to use an app router? And you can choose the yes. Would you like to use turbo pack? And I click the no. Would you like to use customize input alias? And I click that no. Again, you can click the screen. And I can simply select the using arrow keys. You can select. I can click that no and yes. For the Taiwan CSS, I can click that no. In the source directly, I click that no. In the app router, I choose the yes. In the turbo pack, I recommended no. The import alias, I click that no. Now the packages are installing. In the Node.js basic project, you can see the subfolder as an hello. In that, you can see the app public. All are creating one by one. Once the packages are downloaded, you can change the directory. You can type cd is an current directory. My current directory is an hello. I created as a project name. You can type the project name as per your case. Now you can run the deployment server. You can simply type the npm. npm is a node package manager and run dev and you can click that enter. Now you can see the local host. You can click that control and click that link and click that open. You can click that continue to site. Otherwise, you can simply click that localhost and you can click that. You can see this page that is an Next.js in this 192.168.5. that is an IP of the localhost. You can see the localhost. You can run on this too. That is a local and network. You can simply click Control C. Now we can go in to the project. You can see it is a project name. In the project name, that is an app. In the app, you can see the layout.js, page.js. We can create an style.js also for the upcoming. Can give next. In that I can select the. This is our first home page. That home page is an app page.js. In the app, we already have the page.js. We double click that. You can see the page.js. You can simply select this and click the delete. Now you can simply copy this code and you can paste this and you can click that Control S for save, or you can go to file and you can click that save. The Control S is used for a better option. It is run on the HTTP localhost 3000. We can create a next page, that is an app about. In the app, we can create an folder, subfolder as an about. In the about, I can create as an file as page.js. Now I can simply copy this code and I can paste this and I can click that Control S. Likewise, I can create another folder in the app. Click that app, click that new folder. The new folder I can name it as an contact. In the contact, I create a new file as an page.js. Now I can simply copy this code and I can paste this. I can click the Control S. Likewise, we can add the header and footer of the page. For that, you can see the app.layout.js. We already have the layout.js in the app. I can minimize it. You can see the layout.js. First of all, you can select the all, click Control A to select all and click the delete button. Now you can simply copy this code and paste this code and click Control S. Likewise, you can add the CSS also. In CSS, you can see the global.css in the app itself. It is already having. You can select all and click delete. You can simply copy this code, copy the CSS, paste it, and again you can copy this also. And I can paste this. Now I can click that Control S. Next, we can simply deploy and run. We can simply deploy and run the Next.js. For that, we can simply run the npm run dev and click enter. For that, you can simply click that Control and click that link. Now you can see this is our sample project of the Node.js. This is an home page. This is an about page. This is a contact page. In that contact, you can simply click here also for the home page. Click that here home. This is an about. This is an contact. This is the header and footer of the web page. I can minimize it. You can simply click that terminal and click Control C to exit. For the build for production, you can simply type npm run build and click enter. Now it is building the project. Once the project is built for production, you can simply type npm start. You can see this is ready for the production. It is showing in the localhost. Now we can deploy our project in the Vercel. Simply you can type npm install -g Vercel and click enter. Vercel is an free and open source to deploy our software. Now you can simply type Vercel and click enter. Now you can see it is showing like this. Login to Vercel. You can log in with Gmail. First of all, you can simply click that continue with Gmail using your arrow keys. You can simply select, or you can select the cancel to out of the terminal. You can simply type the Vercel again and click enter. Using your arrow keys, you can select and click that continue with email. You can enter the email address. I can enter the email address and click enter. Now it is sending an email. It is showing an error. For that, you can sign up for the process. You can simply select this link, or you can simply click that follow link. Once I select the link, I can open a new tab and I can paste that link and click enter. Now it is asking for an your first deploy is just for sign up away. I choose the personal project. I name it as Shahul and click continue. And I can click that continue with email and I can type the email address. I click that continue with email. I can open the new tab, go into Gmail. In the Gmail, you can see the OTP you received. Now you can enter your phone number for the verification. For that, I can simply type simply enter your phone number. You can select the country also. Choose the India and you can enter the phone number and click continue. Once the OTP is received, you can simply type the OTP. Now you can click that. Now it is the interface of the Vercel. Now you can minimize the screen and you can simply type the Vercel again and click enter. You can select continue with email, type the email address to sign up and click enter. Now you can receive an email again for the verification, login verification. You can simply click that link. Again, you can receive that is an OTP you receive 781348. Once the email verification is done, you can see it is asking for the setup and deploy. You can simply type Y and click enter. Now you can simply type enter. Link your existing project. You can click the N and click enter. What is your project name? The project name is then I create as an hello, right? I simply click that enter. If not, you can change the name also. Simply I click that enter. Did you want to modify the settings and click that Y and click enter. You can simply click that Y and enter. Now it is deploying. Once you deployed, it is showing the production link is like this. You can simply click that follow link and click that open. This is the production link. It is building the app right now. I can minimize it. You can see it is building. Once the project is built, you can open the page again. It is showing the ready and you can see the authentication. Using this link, you can also able to view my web page. This is the deployment link of the Vercel. You can type this link in your browser itself and you can see my the sample Node.js project. Can minimize it. Can close this. If you want to log out on the Vercel means you can simply type Vercel space logout and click enter. Now it is logouting. You can see the Vercel version means you can simply type Vercel hyphen version and click enter. Now it is showing the Vercel of the version. Now you can simply type the Vercel to login or I click the cancel or you can type Vercel login space login and click enter. Now it is asking for the same procedure. Can click that continue with email and type the email address and click enter. Now it is asking for the verification. You can open your email. You can simply click that link. You can see the OTP as 09687. Now it is redirecting. Now the email verification is done. Now you can see this production link we already received, right? This production link did not able to change anything. It is a static link. If you see your deployment means you can simply once you sign up you can go to your click your profile and click that dashboard. In the dashboard you can see our deployment. You can click that. This is a project name I given as an allow. This is the deployment link. Now you can go to next tab. In the final summary, we can see about we installed Nextjs, created home, about and contact pages, added navigation with next link, created a global layout that is an header and footer we created using the layout.js, style the app with CSS that is an global.css. We can run and deploy the app on the Vercel. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel and stay connected. Follow the upcoming videos, we can see the intermediate and advanced course of the Next.js. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel and you can stay connected. Thank you for watching.